Hi everyone, welcome to MS Academy. Okay, in our previous class, I have explained you how to draw the ray diagrams. As or not, even we also discussed the rules, how to draw the ray diagrams. Today we are going to discuss about sign conversion. Even the sign conversions also play a major role. Okay, these sign conversions are very important while you are doing the problematic. Okay, while you are doing the problematic means problems. Okay, now sign conversions. Okay, what is the first sign conversion ma? All the distances are measured from the pole. Okay, పోల్ అంటే ఏంటి మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో నేను మీకు చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అనుకోమ్మా, ఇదేంటి ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్, దిస్ ఇస్ ది పోల్. ఓకేనా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ కానీ ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ మనము పోల్ నుంచే మెజర్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ సైన్ కన్వర్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ సైన్ కన్వర్షన్ మా? Distance are measured in the direction of an incident ray. For example, we are keeping an object here. Okay, now this is an incident ray. Okay, distance are measured in the direction of an incident ray means what? Here we suppose now we are measuring the object distance. Okay, object distance will be measuring from pole or not? Yes. Now this is the direction of an incident ray, but this is the direction of an object. Okay, this is the direction of the object from the pole. Now both are in opposite direction. Now in this case we will be taking the object distance as a negative. Okay, if opposite direction negative, same direction positive. Okay, if you are measuring the image distance in the same direction of the incident ray, then you have to take a positive value. Otherwise you have to go with the negative value. Understood everyone? Distance are measured in the direction of an incident ray. See, incident ray same direction లో ఉంటే పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ అంటే ఒక తెలుసు కదమ్మా, ఒకటి ఇలా వస్తుంది ఇంకోటి రివర్స్, అప్పుడు నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇమేజ్. ఓకే, నౌ పాజిటివ్ అప్వర్డ్స్, నెగిటివ్ డౌన్వర్డ్స్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అమ్మా, ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కదా. ఇఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్, దిస్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నో, this is above the principal axis. In this case, if the object is above the principal axis, you have to take positive. If the object is below the principal axis, you have to take negative. Okay, see, object ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మనకి రివర్స్ లో వస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇందాక నిన్న మనం చూసుకున్నాం కదమ్మా, కింద వచ్చింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి కింద వస్తే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? నెగిటివ్. నిన్న మనం రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ డ్రా చేసాం కదా. ఎస్, సేమ్ దానిలాగా. ఓకేనా, సో దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సైన్ కన్వర్షన్స్ మా. వాట్ ఆర్ దస్? All the distances are measured from the pole. Next one, distances are measured in the direction of an incident ray. Same direction lo unte positive, opposite direction lo unte negative. And height of the object ela consider cheyalamma? Okavela principal axis paina unte positive, principal axis kinda unte negative. Okay, these are very important sign conversions. Okay, next, magnification. This is also small topic and very important topic. Okay, magnification. What is magnification ma? Magnification, simply you can write this definition. It is the ratio of hi by ho, or simply you can say that height of the image by height of the object, or minus v by u. Minus v means what ma? V. What is c? First you have to know these values ma. Hi is nothing but height of the image. H naught is nothing but height of the object. V is nothing but image distance. U, object distance. Okay, now see here, minus v by u. Why minus v ma? Object distance, image distance. So image distance you will be getting negative and object distance you will be getting positive. Okay, yes, this is called as a magnification, minus v by u. Next, mirror formula. What is SEMA? This is, you have a very big derivation in your textbook. This is not that much important, just only this formula is very important. Even if you want me to explain that derivation, put me in a comment box, I'll explain that derivation. But that is, in the exam point of view, the derivation is not so much important. But this formula is very important in order to solve the problem. So today whatever topics we are discussing, These all topics are very important for you to solve the problems. Okay, now what is mirror formula ma? 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f, f is nothing but again already we have discussed in the starting class, focus or focal point. Okay, v, but here this is a small f ma, not capital F. Small f means what ma? It is focal length. Okay, focal length. V is nothing but object distance, sorry, image distance. U is nothing but object distance. Already I have written that. Okay, this is very important formula in order to solve the problems. Okay, in this case, okay, he will be giving you one ray diagram and he will be asking you to calculate the either he may ask you to calculate what is image distance, what is object distance, or what is focal length. Like that he may ask you. Okay, in this case you have to concentrate while doing the problems. You have to concentrate on the sign conversions. Okay, depending upon the sign conversions, these values may vary as positive or negative. Okay, next, solar cooker. This solar cooker is also not that much important, but just in order to get an idea for you, I'll explain you in briefly. Okay, see, solar cooker. For this solar cooker, what you have to do means, first you have to take one antenna. You all have an idea about antenna, no ma? TV dish antenna will be keeping at the top of our terrace. Okay, so take one solar, okay, take one antenna. Okay, what you have to do ma? You have to make some isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle ma? In an isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal, no? Yes, you have to take some few isosceles triangle. Means what? You have to divide that antenna into equal isosceles triangles. After that you have to take arsenic mirror. Okay, arsenic mirror. You have to cut that arsenic mirror in the shape of this isosceles triangle, and you have to paste this arsenic mirror on this isosceles triangles. After that what you have to do ma? You have to induce this solar cooker to the sun radiation. See, like this. Suppose this is sun. Okay, now we have divided this into equal triangles. This is the center, no ma? Like this, equal triangles, and you have to paste the arsenic mirrors on this. Okay, and next what you have to do, as the sun rays are coming and falling, they will be reflected, no ma? Like this, they will be reflecting. We all know this is the principal axis. Yes, on the principal axis, some rays are coming from the sun. Means what? Those rays will travel parallel to the principal axis or not? Yes, when the rays are traveling parallel to the principal axis, where they will meet ma? Already we have discussed. Okay, where they will meet? This is a pole. This is some focus. This is some center of curvature. Rays traveling parallel to the principal axis will reflect at the pole. Yes or not? Like this. These rays will travel and will fall, and here the point of intersection, this is called as the focus. So here if you keep, okay, if you keep anything, it starts burning. Okay, already I have said in our previous class, the point of intersection of the reflected rays gives you the image formation. Yes or not? So this is a point where you can start cooking. So in our textbook he asked us to prepare cooker, no ma? Solar cooker means what here? In same like our electric cooker. Okay, here we have to prepare a cooker with the help of the solar energy. Now what is solar energy ma? The energy which is coming from the sun. Now from the sun only we are getting sun rays, no? From sun we are getting those sun rays. Those sun rays are falling on this arsenic mirror and getting reflected back. The point of intersection of the reflected rays is called as a focus. So if you take some bowl of rice and if you put there, where at the point of intersection of the reflected rays, if you keep there, it starts burning and the rice gets cooked. In this way we can prepare the solar cooker by ourselves. It is very easy process. Oh, yes or not? Yes. With this we completed all the topics in our first chapter. Okay, so what are the important topics related, what are the expected questions in this chapter is nothing but mainly if he go with the problematic, he will giving you the problems based on this mirror formula. okay, based on this mirror formula. And second thing, ray diagrams are also very important. How means he will be asking you the nature of the image. What is the nature of the image? If the object is placed at the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature, between F and C, like that. Okay. And again, what we have discussed, he may ask you about sign conversions for 2 marks. He may ask. Or rules, 4 rules we have discussed, no ma. Ray traveling parallel to the principal axis, it will passes through the focus. From focus, if ray is coming from the focus, it will travel parallel to the principal axis. Yes. And if a ray is coming from the center of curvature, it doesn't retrace its path. Okay, those are the 4. Those are the 4 important important topics. Okay, I mean he may ask you that rules. Okay, for 2 marks you can expect that question. Okay, so this is very important, ma. So these 2 formulas you have to remember in this chapter, magnification and mirror formula. You can expect these 2 in the form of a question, like problematic. Okay, yes, ma. With this I have completed. So if you have any doubts, put me in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.